So it's a pretty fancy little oven from EcoZoom, and basically what we have here is we have the little air vent, and we have where we put the wood right in here. If it's just like pine needles, you could close it up, have the air vent open. If it's long wood, you could just apply this little bracket here and put the long sticks into here. And this thing's just super insulated. If you take a look, all of this basically right here is insulation. Even from right here, if you take a look, all of it is insulated. Down here, not that much insulation, but still it's insulated. To tell you the truth, this little stove here is a lot smaller than I expected it to be, but it's really powerful as far as I've read about it and I've seen. I haven't tried it out myself yet. We will be trying it shortly, and I'll be showing it to you guys as I try it. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like, how it came. Basically, this is exactly as it came. It was already put together. It just came with this little bracket here. And other than that, just chop up some wood, even get some sticks like that, and put them together right here, start a little fire by kindling inside, and you're all good to go. They say that it gets really hot because of all the insulation. One interesting thing that I've read about it in the manual was that you could actually use this inside the house. They don't recommend using this inside the house, but you could use it inside the house. It doesn't make that much smoke. So, pretty good design right here. Nice top, very durable and compact. As you can see, it's very tiny. It's like, what, 18 inches tall, maybe 6 inches, maybe 8 inches across. If you want to take it on the go, you have your little doors closed here. They close on a latch. The latch isn't going to go anywhere. And you get this little bracket here, just throw it on top. Yeah, just like that. So it won't slide around too much. Compact and ready to go. Either if you throw it in an RV camper or inside your car if you're going just on a day trip or whatnot. Great design. I really like it.